In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ninjatrader Time and Sales. Time and Sales, often shortened to TNS, is the live tape of the market. It shows every trade as it happens, including the exact time, the price, and the size. Think of it as a running ledger of completed transactions that helps you gauge urgency, participation, and short-term momentum. Before we begin, make sure your platform is open and you're connected to market data so the tape can update in real time. Start at the Control Center, which is the hub of NinjaTrader. From there, click New. This opens a menu of available windows and tools. Select Time and Sales. As soon as you do, a new Time and Sales window opens on your screen. This is the live tape. Even before you configure anything, you may see prints coming in if a default instrument is already assigned. To point the tape at the exact market you want to monitor, right-click inside the TNS window and choose Instruments. This brings up the instrument selector so you can pick the market or symbol you're tracking, such as a futures contract, a stock, or a Forex pair. Once you confirm your choice, the tape will immediately begin streaming the trades for that symbol. As the data flows, notice the columns. You'll see the time of each transaction, the price at which it executed, and the volume or size of that trade. Many traders use this to spot bursts of activity, confirm breakouts with real participation, or sense when momentum is fading despite price moving. If your tape shows color differences, that typically indicates whether trades were executed closer to the bid or the ask, helping you judge aggressiveness from buyers or sellers. A useful habit is to watch for clusters of larger prints appearing in quick succession. That often signals stronger interest and can align with key technical levels. Conversely, if price is moving but the tape looks thin and sporadic, that can hint at a weaker move. Pairing what you see here with a chart can give you valuable context. The chart shows where price has been, while Time and Sales shows exactly how it's getting there right now. If the tape feels too fast at times, that's normal during active sessions. Give your eyes time to adjust and focus on patterns rather than every single print. Over time, you'll learn which symbols and times of day create the cleanest reads for your style. That's all you need to get your Time and Sales window up, pointed at the right market, and working for you.